To download Habitus, we open GitHub's release page in the browser. The Windows installer, the portable build, the sample dataset and the user guides are all here together. The recommended file for Windows users is habitus_setup_v1.0.0.exe, 312 megabytes. This is the file that runs the installation wizard. If you would rather skip installation, the portable zip build is here too. Both are code-signed. We start the download. Because the file is code-signed, the browser proceeds without an extra warning. We double-click the downloaded file. Because it is code-signed, Windows SmartScreen shows the publisher's name, Omer Kamil Oraku, instead of an unknown publisher warning. We choose to run it anyway. On an unsigned program, this screen is usually far more alarming and gives no publisher information at all. We allow the installer to make changes to the computer. Thanks to the same signature, Windows shows a verified publisher here as well. The setup wizard displays the MIT license. We accept the agreement and click Next. We choose the folder Habitus will be installed into. The default location, C:\program files\habitus, works for most users. You can take a desktop shortcut here if you would like one. The wizard summarizes everything we have chosen. We click Install. Files are being copied. Every one of Habitus's dependencies is bundled into the package, so no internet connection is needed during installation. Installation is complete. We leave Launch Habitus Now checked and click Finish. Habitus opens for the first time. Only the Data tab and the Help tab are active. The remaining 7 stages will unlock in turn. That's where installation ends. The next video in this series begins by loading data. Habitus opens for the first time. Only the Data tab and the Help tab are active. The remaining 7 stages will unlock in turn. That's where installation ends. The next video in this series begins by loading data.